Hey guys, it's Rose back with another reaction video today. Today we're going to react to the 24-hour handcuff challenge from the Justin Tate channel. We're going to see if Justin Tate can handle being handcuffed for 24 hours. Let's see how this goes.
You never had, I can tell that you never had loving until you had mine. Baby, you're my type.
Before we even hop deep into the challenge, I have this dope game that I want to show to my gang. I gotta show it to the squad. The game is called Cooking Fever, and me and Tay, we are so addicted to this game, y'all. We've been playing it for like a week straight. We've been playing this game everywhere, y'all, and anywhere possible that we can. Okay, babe, now how does this work?
So basically what you do is the people request an order. You got to make their food. If you don't make it in time, they get grumpy. So I have to concentrate. Come on, tomatoes.
So it helps you manage your time while building a business?
While building a business.
And you serving all at the same time?
Yep. It's like a mini business, basically.
Oh my God, you really have your own restaurant. And also, guys, the game come with many upgrades, babe. Show them all the upgrades you have in your restaurant.
The more you play, the more coins you'll get. So I worked up all these coins and I start buying stuff. See here? I bought all this.
So we built this restaurant from scratch, guys. You got to buy everything from the floor to the chairs to the bars to the TV, basketball game to the speakers. You have to buy everything for your restaurant. It's really a fun, dope game, guys. And I guarantee you not. Once you download Cooking Fever, you're going to be addicted. Because me and Tay, we have literally been playing this game nonstop. We are on level 13. If you think you can beat level 13, leave a comment down below on what level you are currently on. And try to get on my level. Try to beat that level 13. Download link is in the description down below. So go download Cooking Fever and get to cooking. What is up to the JT squad? Hey, Lil Jazz, clock it in on this thing, man. Look, I got something unexpected today. Look, man, I got the 24-hour handcuff challenge right now. Tay in there, she want to take a little nap. So since she want to take a little nap, you feel me? I got to cuff her. I got to tell her that it's cuffing season. She needs to be hooked up to your girl for 24 hours. I'm going to record her whole reaction. I got Jayla in the cut. Come here, Jayla. Come over here, man. She going to be my cameraman, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So she finna help me out. It's finna go down. Y'all hit that thumbs up down below. Smack it. 24 hours in this thing. We finna see what we can do. It's finna be unexpected because Tay not gonna know that she finna have to be stuck with your girl for 24 hours and go through all these obstacles. You know what I'm saying? That's a long time. And that's what I have to deal with, being handcuffed to somebody. Like, you already know y'all finna be. Jack, what was you saying? Y'all finna be arguing. Bruh, I feel like we finna be arguing. I'm already knowing. She gonna be like, I want to do it this way. And I'm like, no, I want to do it this way. And then we gonna get in a two. We gonna be bumping heads. So look. Y'all just stay tuned for the journey. I got my handcuffs on deck. The girl is in there taking a nap. She should never went to sleep. That's all I'm gonna say. Nobody safe. Nobody not safe. Let's get it too. All right, y'all. Got my handcuffs. I'm gonna handcuff you. Boy, if you don't get
Oh no.
Babe, get up, baby.
Baby,
okay, baby. You can't pull too hard. You stuck with me for 24 hours, babe. I want to do the 24-hour handcuff challenge with you to prove our love, like Romeo and Juliet. So babe, look, no, babe, we gotta do it.
Look at my arm, is twisted.
Babe, Jalen threw the key across the yard, so we gotta be able to go find it.
Jalen, why you holding the camera?
Cause she told me she'll record our dreams. Babe, don't be hurt. We just stuck together like this. I'm sorry. We can get through it. Come on. I gotta go pee. Come on, please. Come on. Hey, for real, I gotta go pee. Come on. I gotta. Come on. Let's go. I gotta pee.
How you gonna pee when you handcuffed?
I gotta pee. Okay, I gotta pee. Come on. We stuck, and you gotta find a key outside. Stop. Jalen threw the key across the yard on purpose. She said, baby.
Baby. Okay, y'all walk at the same time.
This hurts. Okay, you are pulling me. Come on. I want to pee.
Why'd you even do this?
Baby.
Come on.
You stuck with me. Come on, I gotta pee.
Baby.
gonna find a key? Baby, we can't find the key. Come on, baby, you gotta
How
move.
you want to take? How you gonna hold on you? I just gonna go back and how you gonna do that? How you gonna
baby, move out the way.
How you gonna move the door?
Move the hell out the way. Move out the way. Please. Alright, we gonna see if this works. We gonna see if this works. Ow! Yeah, I'm gonna sit on it. Open it up, baby.
How you make that work?
Alright, so we are peeing together right now. Hold on.
Oh, that's just so wrong. That's nasty.
Hey, hurry up. I'm tired. Ooh, I feel refreshed right now, man. Okay. Okay. 1 second, guys. Alright, babe, you gotta get up. You gotta get up, babe. So I can wait. Come on now. Babe, why did you do this? Hey, I didn't do this. I was
No other YouTuber do this challenge. But you know that you wrong.
Babe, I didn't know the key. I just told you. Okay, why
you between 5 hours.
Don't you look in this?
Don't.
Come on, baby. Baby, come on. Baby, you gonna let me pull my pants up? Come on, let me out. We too small for this. I mean, we too... Ow, my wrist. Baby, you gonna let me pull my pants up? Oh, okay. Can you help me out? Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, babe. Come on. Babe, your breath stink. You gotta brush your teeth.
How you gonna brush your teeth? You gotta brush your teeth first.
We find the key.
You can't use our hand to do it.
Brushing my teeth. Okay.
How you doing?
Babe, this not my strong hand. Can you help me out?
Yeah.
Help me out. Come on. I need some toothpaste. Babe, for real. No. Okay, please. Baby, please, 5 seconds. Come on, help me out. Come on, help me out. I need a little toothpaste. Come on, help me.
This sounds
there we go.
How to do normal basic things when you both your fingers
Come on, baby. You gonna save yourself? Baby, whoa. That's
just evil when everybody's doing it.
Okay, I'm tired. Come on, boy. You got a stuff on my face. Like, y'all see this?
Yeah, they did that to you.
Well, you know what I'm saying? Watch it. You do it. You do it. Tell me if this hurt. Move your truck. Move it.
You know how your back down.
I'm trying to break my teeth. Move out the way. Babe, get my hand. Babe, this junk hurt. Wait, it's yours. I want that to pick up baby down to that powder.
Hey, what?
You did what the time? You picked up Buddy B.
That's a baby down and the judge is right on her face. Yo. And she running with Jazz. Jazz running with Jazz.
I'm dead. Stop! This shit hurt!
You running with he run outside. Oh my God. They were him. Yo.
Pissy mouth. Piss mouth.
Jazz just did that. Wipe the baby down on her face.
How you feel?
Dad, you told me the buddy towels go right there and our towels go.
How you feel?
Did you not preach about God this morning? I got piss in my mouth.
A car finna come. We gotta come.
I cleaned up his poop and pee with it.
Dang. She said
I got
poop
piss in my
and
mouth, bro. Oh man, I don't feel good about this, bro.
pee mouth.
No, stop calling me pissy mouth, bro. It ain't funny.
This man gonna call your head.
Man, come on, sit down. Sit down. Come on.
I didn't even think you
I
had.
don't want to sit down on you like this. What is this? You sit down like this on me. I don't sit. Come on. Other way around.
Hey, does it matter? My junk hurt.
Ooh, we look good,
I
Jeremy.
just said that.
We can stay like this forever, baby. You can stay close to me. Like, where we going?
Find the key.
Oh, yeah, we gotta find the key.
Baby.
Hold on, babe. Come on.
Why are we going here?
We gotta do laundry.
Oh, no.
Baby, we gotta get the laundry. Come on. These? What did you do? Grab it.
No, what's up?
Jalen, why are you still recording?
Still recording and everything.
Go find the key, baby. Baby, we gotta go find the key outside, baby. You the one that got. Baby, come on. You're doing too much. Now you're smacking me into the wall. Damn.
Oh, look at Buddy.
Baby, what we doing? Put him Man, I can't. Put it right here.
This junk hurt. I have challenged Jazz to race.
A race? Where we gonna race at?
In the street. Yeah, come on.
I saw it.
Is it too dark?
No.
I don't want to race.
You finna fall.
I don't want to race.
That's about to fall.
Dragged.
Look, that's all I'm saying.
What you talking
Or you
about?
gonna be dragged. You'll be rolling.
I don't want to get dragged. I don't think that this is safe.
How about we start off as a job and you go pick it up?
Bro, we are handcuffed, baby. We cannot be racing.
We can race. You always claim you faster than me to show me. Let's race.
That means that
where y'all want it to end?
that'll be the case without the handcuffs on. Because the handcuffs on, that's going to be impossible. Oh, that got her just on right here.
Oh my God, bro, this hurt like crazy. You like snatching my arm off of my body, bro.
You can see your arm is like this. It was just like this right here.
Like that,
Just
that
like
hurt.
that. Come on, the car coming.
Man, I'm finna go play Fortnite. Yes, I am. I'm finna go play. No, I'm finna play Fortnite. Move, let me go. Let me go. I'm finna play Fortnite.
How you gonna play a video game with that to your head? How is that gonna work?
Babe, we are together.
After we find the
No,
key.
babe, we have to do something we both want to do. I want to play Fortnite. No,
Can we find the key first?
Babe, I want to play Fortnite.
My hand is swollen.
Ain't about to live on.
Right now.
Okay, then find the key.
Baby, let me play Fortnite for 5 seconds. Damn, it's not gonna take that long. Come on. Fortnite. Baby, what you doing? Don't touch it.
Let's find the key.
Baby, we finna find the key. After I play Fortnite.
Damn, tell me where you going.
Baby, you need to be calm.
I'm hooked up to you.
Baby, move out the way. I'm trying to play Fortnite. What you talk? Baby, move out the way.
Get that control.
Hooked up together.
I can't feel my.
Okay. Just cool.
Stop moving this hand.
Baby, what are you trying to do? I'm trying to.
Jazz, I'm not.
Okay. Can I please take a shower, baby, before we go find it? Can I take a shower, please?
No, because you go get right back dirty trying to find the key.
Baby, no, I'm not. Let me just take a shower really quick. Damn, it's gonna take 5 seconds. Come on. Baby, let me take a shower.
Can you take it? How you gonna take your clothes
Oh,
off?
yeah, that's the question. I was just gonna take a
Alright,
photo
babe, I'm trying to get in the shower. I know you want to stay funky, you want your little coochie be on fire, but I want to take a shower. So can you help me? Alright, come on, baby, come on.
It makes no sense to take a shower now and still have to get back dirty.
Baby, just let me take my shower. You could be funky. Dang.
How are we supposed to do this? I'm supposed to put the shirt through me to take it off?
I do this. Get it on, because I don't know how it's going to come on.
Baby, it hurts.
So you do that, babe, and you just put it through you, and then you good like that, babe, because you're not taking a shower anyway. Okay, babe, can you get my do-rag?
Yeah, you just said that.
Baby, grab my do-rag.
Ow!
Baby, can you just grab the do-rag instead of being hard-headed? Just grab the do-rag and take 5 seconds. Dang, you ain't even got to be like this.
Okay,
Well, her
tell
clothes
me.
on,
Say
it's
up.
definitely possible running.
Down. Alright, on time. Alright, babe, it's time to drop the draws. Drop them draws.
Dang, if you get naked on camera, no,
babe.
everybody gonna see that.
Baby, can you grab this? Baby, finna find a key in 5 seconds. Just help me take my shower real quick. Dang, you should never feel asleep. Next time, think twice before you fall asleep around OG Chad. Okay, kiss your baby. Oh, my God. Alright, come on, baby.
Give that to the kid.
Woo! Finna get in the shower. Hey.
Ow!
Man, that was that thing taking off her hand, man.
Oh, that's my baby.
Hey, I can feel my pulse in my arm.
Hey. Baby, you squeezing them cheeks, ain't you?
Okay, how is this going? Okay, this is difficult, right?
Okay.
That is difficult, man.
They don't feel like getting a shower no more. Can we just go find the key? Because I'm really trying to get them cuffed, and I'm tired of being cuffed all night.
Take a shower right now.
Huh? Baby, no. Baby, look. Baby, look. Let's go find the key first. We'll get a shower. Let's find the key.
No, it took day. I'm not playing.
Here, we just put it back on. Reverse it. Come on if you want to go find it, man. All right. Look. All right, just check my pen. pants. Just check my pants.
It hurts.
Just check my
My bone is
pants.
like rubbing against it.
Come on, just check my pants. My wallet? What else in that thing? My phone? What else in that thing? That's it?
Where's the key, Jazz? Where's the key, man?
Look, you
Yeah, the
found
key was in
the
Jazz pocket, though.
key.
Man,
You
pocket
got
the whole
it?
time.
Cause I really don't want to be stuck. Oh my Lord, y'all. I don't think she has it. Baby, you don't. Let me try. Here, you.
Please hold me, y'all get. Oh, why?
Dang, y'all, look at my wrist. You
Oh,
know
your
it
wrist
hurt.
is bad. Just
That junk hurt.
That'll hurt.
Whew.
Look at Jasmine, baby.
Cuffing season. Yeah, I be cuffing her. I'm just lying, little J don't cuff her. I just and ducker. Gang, you already know. Better watch her. Hey, Latiz, ain't the cut, man. Look, she wouldn't let me get her for 24 hours, but you know what I'm saying? I had to get her while I could, because, you know, she's going to try to box me, then I was going to have to whoop, then she's going to whoop me, then I was going to be knocked out, and then I was going to have to call Captain Save-A-Ho to come save me, and I don't feel like calling Captain Save-A-Ho to come save me. Ain't that right, babe?
Dang, you woke me up for this.
Huh, babe? Wasn't it a great experience? You was with your OG for a few hours, but
Always with you.
I know, but you was like stuck with me. Like we was like, baby, that's my titty. Babe, how did you feel being with your OG that long?
Can I read our old messages? Y'all, 50,000 likes and I read our old messages.
Ow, dude, no, stop touching my booty. No, no, I'm not trying to show them my soft side. Like, I only show that side to certain people. And everybody don't get to see that side. Not that I'm trying to be meaner. Now, that's just, that's personal.
50,000 likes.
I don't know. I gotta read the ones you show them. Because I don't want just any messages being shown. All right.
I know.
And so, I
know which ones to show him.
I'm just saying, if you gonna show them, we gotta agree what you show. Oh, no, we not doing it then. If you're not gonna agree, you gonna agree. But what if we really were stuck with each other for like 24 hours like that?
That would be so annoying. Because you do stuff I don't want to do, and I do stuff
that I don't want to do. So it would be like hella irritating.
So annoying.
Yeah, it'd be like hella irritating.
You kept dragging me every freaking where. Look at my arms.
I know that junk. Look at my arm, y'all. Well, damn, my arm already messed up. But y'all can't even see it. But the point is, the handcuffs hurt like crazy. But I feel like it was a great experience. You get to experience handcuffing season literally with your partner or with your friend, girlfriend, dog, whatever you want to handcuff. But if you guys enjoyed the video, y'all hit that thumbs up down below. Smacky, hit it like Tay Booty Cheeks. Make sure y'all go tweet the girls on Twitter because we always showing love on Twitter on my mama. Follow all of our social media. It's on the screen in the description down below. So run it up by any means at all means. If you're not part of Notification Squad, hit that bell and turn notifications on because you will be a real one until tomorrow or the day after that. Baby, tell her we got this thing.
Bye, guys.
Little mama, she my flavor. She can drink it straight with no chaser. We can FaceTime a little later.
Hey guys, for watching. Hope you come back, subscribe. And shout out about subscribe. I love y'all so much. And that was a good challenge. With Jazz and Tay being handcuffed to each other, try to do certain things, being handcuffed. It was hard to do. And if y'all want to follow me on any of my social media links, they'll be in the description below. If you want to follow me on Twitter, subscribe on Twitter at VatV205, and on Snapchat at VirginiaJohnson83. And those social media links will be in the description down below. I love all my subscribers so much. I love each and every one of y'all. I thank you so much for coming back to my channel and watching my videos every single day. And I'll see you all on the next reaction video. Bye for now. Don't forget to click that bell, and don't forget, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all in the next reaction video. Bye for now.